Welcome to your favorite channel for sensational and entertainment news. Today we bring you a case that has shaken fans of HGTV and its popular show Fixer to fabulous. The star couple of the show, Dave and Jenny Mars, have just closed a legal settlement in a trial that seemed destined to explode in court. What really happened? How did it all end just before the big day in court? Stay with us as we tell you all the details of this constructive drama that has everyone talking. It all began in February 2023, when Matthew and Sarah McGrath, a couple from Bella Vista, Arkansas, filed a lawsuit against Mars Construction and Jupiter Rentals, both companies owned by Dave Mars. The McGraths claimed that the house built for them in 2022 had multiple defects that put their safety at risk and that the terms of the contract had also been breached. According to the lawsuit, the McGraths had paid for more than $10,000 in improvements, including changes to the kitchen, stairs and railings for the deck, windows in the garage, and hardwood floors in the bedrooms. However, shortly after moving in, serious problems began to arise, such as a poorly installed septic system and structural defects in the deck that they described as a critical safety issue. For their part, the Mars said they tried to repair the defects, but the McGraths did not allow it. Thus began a conflict full of tensions and accusations. For months, both sides attempted to reach a settlement through court-ordered mediation, but according to legal documents, those attempts failed completely. Meanwhile, the McGraths faced more setbacks. Tornadoes that devastated Benton County in May 2023 further complicated the situation. Contractors in the area were overwhelmed with emergency work, prompting the McGraths to ask for an extension of the discovery deadline in June. This request was approved, but not without creating friction between the parties, as the Mars wanted to move forward with trial in September. The trial was eventually rescheduled for January 2025, further prolonging the drama. In November 2024, attorneys for the McGraths filed documents claiming that the Mars had failed to provide evidence or expert witnesses to contradict the opinions of a structural engineer and several contractors supporting the plaintiffs' allegations. This put the Mars in a difficult position, as the time to present additional evidence had expired. According to the McGraths' attorney, the Mars would not be able to adequately defend themselves regarding building code violations and standard industry practices. With this scenario, it seemed like a trial would be inevitable and things could get very hairy for the HGTV hosts. But, in a surprising twist, 3 days before the parties were set to go to court, a last-minute settlement was reached. According to court filings, both sides reached a compromise and agreed to dismiss all claims with prejudice, meaning the case cannot be reopened in the future. Although details of the settlement have not been made public, it is likely that it included some sort of financial compensation for the McGraths. Neither the Mars nor the McGraths responded to requests for comment, leaving fans and critics to speculate about what really happened behind the scenes. This is not the first legal brush for the Mars. In 2021, another Arkansas couple filed a similar lawsuit against Mars Construction, alleging defects in a home. That 837/5.000. The case also ended in a settlement, with the court dismissing the claims in March 2022. With this settlement, the Mars avoid what could have been a lengthy and costly trial, but the case raises questions about their company's reputation and the impact on their career at HGTV. What do you think about this drama? Do you think the Mars managed to save their image, or will this affect their show in the long run? Leave us your comments and don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive news. Would you like more sensational content like this? Like, share and hit the bell to not miss anything.